Sky Pusher. Respect and manners to the judges. And respect and manners to the nation and people in the world. You know what I mean? Everybody face struggle. Drop the beat, DJ Smokey. Youths them can relate. Yeah, yeah. Remember good na man. Sky Pusher. And a darker one. Yeah. Some volume on the beat. Yeah, yeah. Banan. Okay. Born in a struggle, not turning in the mud. Kerry used to say you're soon viral because you're full of hit songs of it, but you know. Checking our brain and she triple up a dozen. Yeah, my born in a struggle, not turning in the mud. Kerry used to say you're soon viral because you're full of hit songs of it, but you know. Checking our brain and she triple up a dozen. Just struggle and pain them your time, yeah. Disease viral, we short the ways, yeah. We friend mask, even know what in beside you. Me love my life, but my fear that the life, yeah. Post with a vaccine, see we not no choice to. Corrupt if we take it, might be cheaper than your paiso. Freedom of speech, our problem in your life too. Love yourself more, no one love yourself like you. Born in a struggle, not turning in the mud. Kerry used to say you're so viral because you're full of hit songs, we have to bust you now. Checking our brain and she double up a dozen. Yeah, my born in a struggle, not turning in the mud. Kerry used to say you're so viral because you're full of hit songs, we have to bust you now. Checking our brain and she double up a dozen. What kind of world is to bring with child in? But the youth have to grow, you must be a breadwinner. Smart and smooth and slippery and skiller. From your summer features, you know, I'm a gun killer. One song sweet taters bust well like chiller. Me no too religious, I'm a been a brave sinner. Freer than the rain, so man I go drown in. I make it rain, money rain, been a feel be a pain. Born in a struggle, not turning in the mud. Kerry used to say you're so viral because you're full of good songs, of a bust you now. Checking our brain and she triple up a dozen. Get a use, on and on. Relate, you know what I mean? Give thanks, Sky Pusher grace the stage. World song.
Alright, Sky Pusher, what kind of world the youth them are born in a? Big one. Alright, Kisha, we start with you. You know what I mean? What you think about this song, Sky Pusher, endorsing right now?
Sky Pusher, man, he just left me breathless because there's so much challenges that Jamaica is going through right now, especially due to the COVID, that song, you know, can connect in every aspect where challenge and rough times are concerned. And one of the things I want to do is to say to you is thank you so much for bringing to 100% talent a sense of meditation or a sense of, you know, principle and meditation and looking into yourself and them kind of stuff there where I think many of us have lost. Thank you so much. But out of 10, I'll give you a 9. I think it was really good. All right?
All right, 9 out of 10 from
next judge, please.
the judge itself, Kisha, Las Vegas. All right, she give you a 9, my boss. So, you know, everything counts, you know, while you're on stage performing and all of them something. So, let me start with our next judge, you know, Counselor Courtney Edwards. What do you think about Sky Pusher?
I kept looking up in the sky because I wonder where I push. You understand me?
Where my push?
Yeah. But me love the vibes. Serious pressure, and as we say, it's not a lot of space today based on the concerns and the COVID regulation. But we understand that, you know. So I realized that if you had more space, you'd have been all over the place. I saw you connecting with each of us, which is good, you know. So I even have to look at it one at a time. So look for somebody else, but that is good as well. Overall, I'd give you 8.5, but there's no half, so I give you a 9. You understand? Yes. All right, Sky Pusher.